Hi, my name is Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars. In these series of videos we call Quick Tips. I give you educational tutorials on how to use various Volvo models. Today's topic covers the 360 surround camera and the rear view park camera. It covers most models that have the new Google built-in system. There are a couple ways to activate the parking camera. If you put your car in reverse, the image will pop up on the screen showing you what's behind you with lines indicating the path of your vehicle to help you move and maneuver in reverse. At the same time, there will be a radar which is called a cross traffic alert that will alert you behind visually and audibly if someone is moving behind you. The 360 surround camera is found by pressing this button. It brings up a screen which takes 4 different camera angles and stitches them together for this top-down view, which helps show you any other objects in your path that you may not see. To get back to the rear camera, just touch the display and touch the rear camera button or park and then put it back into reverse to bring up the back display again. Thank you for watching this edition of Patrick Volvo Quick Tips. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.